It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
At 15 seconds, guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9, ignition sequence start. 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. On July 20, 1969, the Apollo 11 was the first crewed mission to land on the Moon. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin became the first humans ever to land on the Moon.
Armstrong is on the Moon. Neil Armstrong, 38-year-old American, standing on the surface of the Moon. On this July 20th, 1969.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Oh, that looks beautiful from here, Neil.
As Ariana says, failure is the stepping stone to success. Even though we failed so many times, finally we achieved this milestone.
Okay. At the foot of the ladder, the lamp footbeds are only depressed in the surface about 1 or 2 inches, although the surface appears to be very, very fine grained as you get close to it. It's almost like a powder. Ground mass is very fine. And along with
The United States is the only country to have successfully conducted crewed missions to the Moon, with the last departing the lunar surface in December 1972.
It really is.
oh, geez, that's great. Is the lighting halfway decent?
Yes, indeed. They've got the flag up now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface.
Up now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface. Beautiful, just beautiful. Oh, geez, that's great. Is the lighting halfway decent?
Yes, indeed. They've got the flag up now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface.
Up now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface.